What is up, gang? So how many of you can reminisce back to the days of playing tetherball, sitting out on the swings, chewing Hubba Bubba? Those were the good times, those were the good days, but now we're adults. Life is getting real, so in today's video, I'm coming at you with 4 awesome things to start doing in your 20s. So let's get into the video. The very first awesome thing to start doing in your 20s is subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get real. Number 1 is to start saving and investing. Now I know this sounds boring, but I'm about to make it a lot more interesting with my friends over at Wealthsimple. This is a saving and investing application that's absolutely free to download, free to set up, takes 5 minutes. I would recommend starting with a TFSA or tax-free savings account. Once you open an account, Wealthsimple does all the work for you, investing your money in a well-balanced portfolio that will yield a 7% interest rate over the course of your lifetime. Alright, let's crunch some numbers. So I'm 25 years old. If I put $5,000 a year, just over 400 bucks a month, just over $100 a week into that account, and I do it until the age of 65, that's 40 years time, I'll have put $200,000 in that account. And a lot of you might be thinking, well, $200,000, that's not that much to retire on. But the interest rate of the 7% growth over that 40-year span will have grown that $200,000 to $1,073,043. You'll have earned over $868,000. Now that's a lot of moolah. With a regular savings account with your bank, the interest you'll have earned is around 2.5%. With Wealthsimple, you're looking at 7%. Guys, this really is a no-brainer. It's completely free to set up. There's no minimum investment. You could put $10 in there, and by the time you retire, you'll have like 150 bucks. I highly recommend it. I am going to leave my referral link in the description below. So go check out the link, give it a read. It's an amazing opportunity. You really have nothing to lose. Number 2 is to look into ways of making money online. How many of you would love to escape the 9-to-5 grind, to make money from the comforts of your laptop, to be able to travel and make passive income from wherever you are? There's literally hundreds of ways to make money online. You could do e-commerce, you could do affiliate marketing, you could start a blog, you could start a YouTube channel. And the best way to start, the way that I started, is I went onto Google and I literally typed how to make money online. I personally do e-commerce, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit about that. I use an amazing platform called Shopify. Shopify is a website that allows you to build your own store, build your own website with a drag and drop platform. Everything is really user friendly. They have all the applications built in that you need to fulfill orders, to get to seek products, for customer service. Almost everything can be automated. There's an amazing app within Shopify called Oberlo. You go onto Oberlo and they have all the products for if you want to sell fitness, if you want to sell clothing, if you want to sell jewelry. You can literally choose anything that you want to sell and put it onto your store. The products never even have to reach your doorstep. Once the customer makes a purchase, the shipping information goes to the supplier ships it to the customer, and you make the difference. You price the products in your store to whatever you want them to be, and whatever the difference is profits, money in your pocket. I spend about half an hour to an hour a day replying to customer emails, posting on my social medias for my websites, and that's about it, guys. The rest of the time it's just passive income. It's an absolutely incredible business model. It's a very hands-off business model. It frees up so much of my time so I can focus on my passions, like this YouTube channel. I can focus on my relationships, strengthening those. I can focus on my other hustles. It's great, guys. I would really recommend it. I will leave a link in the description to Shopify and a link to Oberlo. I will also leave a link to a YouTube video that explains the business model and how it works. So if you're interested in doing something like that, just click the links below. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just want to add some value to your guys' life. For anyone who wants to escape the 9-to-5 grind, I would highly recommend looking into making money online. And you can definitely give e-commerce a shot, or you can choose one of the other ones. It's really all up to you. So the third awesome thing to start doing in your 20s, this one is really amazing. It really changed my life. is to fall in love with learning. Now, if you're in college or university and you're thinking to yourself, shut up, Jackson, all I do is learn. I understand where you're coming from. It's so important to continue learning, to continue developing as a human being, to develop your mind, to develop your passions, to learn new skills. You can read books, you can listen to audiobooks, you can listen to speakers, you can use applications like Skillshare that have hundreds of courses where you can learn anything. You can learn cooking, you can learn photography. I recently did a course on social media, how to grow your Instagram, and I think it's like $10 a month. I'll link Skillshare as well below. Skillshare, it's amazing. I just started on it. They have hundreds and hundreds of courses on anything that you can think of. You can literally learn anything you want from one single application. It's really great. If you want to advance and continue to grow, fall in love with learning, fall in love with the process. It's really going to benefit you long term. Alright, we made it to number 4. This is the last one. If you are in your 20s, I highly recommend learning to cook. It's such a great skill to have. If you want to impress a lady, you bring her over, you cook her an amazing meal. Trust me, gentlemen, she's gonna come back. It's really an important skill, so you don't have to keep eating chicken and broccoli, bored out of your mind. And lucky for you guys, I am starting a cooking channel, so I will leave a link so you can go over there and subscribe. They're gonna be really simple, 4 or 5 minute videos, just showing you how to make delicious recipes. Healthy food too, keep you strong, keep you going. Alright gang, that is it for this one. If you enjoyed this content, smash the like button. If you are new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I love making this content for you guys. It really brings me a lot of joy, and hopefully it's adding some value to your guys' life too. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Much love.